Okay, so here we have, as you can see, the Hot Wheels car launcher, and we have made some modifications to it. And it was a pain to get open, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, first off, you don't have to, but removing this does give you an extra little handhold. But after you remove these 4, these 2, so it's a total of 6 on the back, and then 4 on the bottom, feels a little rough, but there's just a little bitty hinge you got to get past right there. Once you do that, it frees right up. There's this little pin right here. Low lighting, I do apologize. Once you take out all those screws, basically just lift up the back and everything just kind of comes out. And the modification that we did was we added a DC jack. And that was pretty simple, basic one from Radio Shack. Wired up the hot and the ground down into here. A little solder. And if you follow the leads, I had to cut a path right here just in that support beam just a little bit, just to get the 2 wires to recess, and wired them straight in. Black to black, pre-capacitor by the way, not after. Red to the red terminal, basically wiring up the battery bank. This way we can still use batteries if we want to. I'm just going to read it off to you. Positive core, 6 volt DC, 2 amp. And then this is a little hard to do without it on there. So you plugged in. And then over here you still have your on-off switch. You're going to have to support it from the back because there's no back, but there you go, it's off. Everything still works. I could put batteries in it and it would still work. And then with the bottom open, you start with the top, wiggle it in, and then the hardest part is you actually have to wiggle this guy around and the gear to get a recess about right there in for the center of the wheel. Make sure everything else lines up. And then, like I said, you just... Ow!